1. A ticket agency charges a processing fee for ticket purchases. The following ticket purchases were made for tickets to a concert. William spent $132 on 4 tickets. Theo buys 2 tickets for $72. The ticket agency charges Ellis $252 for 8 tickets. Use the information to complete the table, then determine whether the relationship between the tickets purchased and the total cost is linear. If so, find the cost of 7 tickets. Okay, they set up a blank little table for us, so we'll fill in the information to the table, and then we'll be able to see, just like we did at the very beginning of this page, is there a constant rate of change? So does the change in y over the change in x always reduce down to the same constant? That would be linear if it does. Okay, I'm going to start with the smallest one. They said 2 tickets was $72. Next biggest is 4 tickets. It's $132. And then last 8 tickets is $252. So I'm looking to see if it has a constant rate of change. Change in y over change in x. Oh, so this is my x and then my y because it's going to go normal order. So I had to figure out how much they added. That is plus 60. Over here for my change in x, it added 2. So I'm going to take this change in y, put it over its corresponding change in x. That's showing me that the slope is 30. In other words, it's $30 per ticket. I have to make sure that the same thing happened down here. Okay, so going from 132 to 252, I'm just going to subtract 252 minus 132. It added 120. And over here, it added 4, from a 4 to an 8. So I'm going to take this change in y, 120. I put it over its corresponding change in x. So 120 divided by 4, again, I get 30. So I worked the constant rate of change and saw that yes, there is a constant rate in change. They were asking me if it was linear, so I can say yes, it is linear. I know that it is because I got 30 both times, okay? They want me to find the cost of 7 tickets, okay? So we need to go to Stat, Edit. So we can input our x's and our y's. So you can do stat over 4, enter. I'm not going to put it up here because I want you to do it. And then you're going to write that y equals, you've got that a number to plug in here, and it should be normal looking, it's not a decimal. We've got our x, and then you've got that y-intercept number back here. So since they were asking about the cost of 7 tickets, y stands for cost, x stands for tickets. Once you've got your numbers in here, because you did stat, over, for, all that stuff, you're going to be substituting a number right here for x. So you'll be multiplying it by the slope times 7, and then add the y-intercept number. So you can have the cost of 7 tickets was whatever you get whenever you plug in that 7 to your equation for x. Turn this one in when all are done.